Limitations is a very short section and a very simple section, and in fact you probably would have done a lot of the prep for this already. So basically a limitation is something that could be put in your app, but you're deciding not to. Okay, so thinking back to the existing app research you've done, there's probably going to be a lot of features in those apps that you decide, you know what, I'm not going to be implementing those. I'm going to be focusing on this part of the project, and I'm not going to be doing that part of it. That is a limitation of your system. It's a limitation, something that your system can't do that maybe an existing app can do. So limitations are essentially things you are not going to be implementing. They need to be something that you might have done, that you might have considered putting into it, but for whatever reason you decided not to. Okay, that bit's important. So I can't just say, for example, I'm making a Bomberman game, and I was going to put a database behind the scenes. You probably wouldn't do, in all honesty. You might do if you were, I don't know, having a database and displaying leaderboards and stuff like that. But the reality is, you probably wouldn't consider that as a feature. Therefore, it would not be a limitation. So, for each limitation, you need to explain what that feature would be. So, again, you can link back to your existing app research to help you with this. And most importantly, why you are not included. So why have you decided not to do it? You can't just simply say, I would run out of time, because obviously you would. I mean, if the more you put into your project, the longer it's going to take. So eventually you will run out of time. But there's got to be a reason why you picked feature A and not feature B. Why not feature B? Why do A instead of B? So why did you not do it, other than it will take too long? So what made you choose one feature over another? So, that's it. I mean, it is a very short, it's about half a page at most. It doesn't tend to be very long, this section. So you need to have at least 3. Okay, so that word limitations is plural. I've always found 3 is a good number. If you want to put more in than 3, that's okay. That's fine. You can do. If you want less than 3, that's probably not so okay. So you need to describe the limitation, tell me exactly what it is. And again, that limitation description can link back to existing app research to help you with that discussion. And your justifications for it, well, that's why you're not putting it into your app. What made you choose one feature over another one? That feature justification needs to be clear. It needs to be a good reason, but you don't have to write tons. Okay, so it's a very short justification, a couple of sentences, absolutely fine for each feature, but you must think about why.